top 4 vitamins to strengthen your legs. Do you ever wonder why some people seem to walk with confidence well into their 80s, while others struggle with muscle weakness and painful leg cramps decades earlier? The secret isn't just genetics or exercise, it's nutrition. And if I had to pick just one nutrient that's transformed my patient's leg health almost overnight, it would be vitamin B6. But that's just the beginning of the story. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, planting your feet on the floor, and feeling something different. Legs that feel powerful, stable, and ready to carry you through the day without pain or weakness. This isn't just a dream, it's entirely possible with the right nutritional support. Today, I'm revealing the 4 most powerful vitamins and minerals scientifically proven to strengthen your legs, improve circulation, and protect your mobility for years to come. Whether you've noticed your legs feeling heavier lately, you're dealing with muscle cramps that wake you at night, or you simply want to maintain your independence as you age, these nutrients are absolutely essential. Let's start with my personal favorite, vitamin B6, the unsung hero of leg strength. Vitamin B6 is the master regulator of your leg's nerve pathways. When levels drop, even simple movements like climbing stairs can become exhausting. What makes B6 truly remarkable is how it supports the entire neuromuscular system in your legs, from maintaining nerve health to helping your body efficiently use protein to build and preserve muscle mass. Many of my clients come to me complaining of mysterious tingling sensations or unsteady walking patterns, assuming it's just getting older. But when we restore their B6 levels, these symptoms often disappear within weeks. This vitamin is crucial for proper nerve signaling and coordination. Without enough, signals become sluggish or misdirected, leading to numbness, weakness, and poor balance. Beyond nerve function, B6 acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory, reducing muscle discomfort and keeping your legs flexible. If you've noticed persistent stiffness or slower recovery after activity, increasing your B6 intake could transform how you move. What many people don't realize is that B6 is also essential for red blood cell production. These cells deliver oxygen to every muscle in your legs, providing the endurance you need for sustained activity. Low B6 means less oxygen reaches your muscles, resulting in premature fatigue and that heavy leg feeling that makes even short walks feel like marathons. You can boost your B6 levels naturally by including poultry, fish like salmon, bananas, potatoes, and chickpeas in your daily meals. For those with dietary restrictions or absorption issues, a supplement providing 1.5 to 1.7 milligrams daily may be appropriate, but always consult your healthcare provider first, as excessive supplementation can cause nerve damage. Now, let's talk about magnesium, the mineral that acts as your muscle's personal bodyguard. Every step you take depends on magnesium working behind the scenes, ensuring your muscles contract and relax with perfect timing. Without sufficient magnesium, this delicate balance falls apart. Those sudden, painful leg cramps that jolt you awake at night, that's often your body screaming for more magnesium. What makes magnesium unique is its ability to calm overactive nerve signals that can trigger muscle spasms. It's like having a built-in relaxation system for your leg muscles. People who restore their magnesium levels often describe the sensation as finally having legs that listen to them again. No more involuntary twitching, no more tension that won't release. But magnesium's benefits extend far beyond preventing cramps. It works in partnership with calcium to maintain bone density. And here's what's fascinating. While calcium builds bone mass, it needs magnesium to ensure it's properly incorporated into the bone matrix, rather than deposited in soft tissues, where it can cause stiffness and joint pain. The transformation that occurs when magnesium levels are restored is remarkable. Many seniors who once felt heavy and sluggish discover their legs responding with renewed energy. Those who suffered from frequent muscle cramps notice significant relief, allowing them to sleep through the night and move more freely during the day. To boost your magnesium intake naturally, incorporate leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, black beans, and avocados into your meals. These foods provide a steady supply of this essential mineral, supporting both muscle function and bone health. Next on our list is potassium, the element that gives your legs staying power. Have you ever stood up and immediately felt your calf seize with pain? Or noticed your legs trembling after standing for just a short period? These are classic signs of low potassium levels. Potassium regulates fluid balance inside and outside your muscle cells, ensuring smooth, controlled movements. What makes potassium truly special is its role in transmitting signals between nerves and muscles. When levels drop too low, communication between your brain and leg muscles becomes inefficient, leading to shakiness, weakness, or even difficulty lifting your feet properly, a major risk factor for falls among older adults. Here's something most people don't realize. Potassium also helps maintain strong bones by neutralizing acids that can break down bone density over time. Studies show that a potassium-rich diet significantly slows bone loss, keeping the structural foundation of your legs strong for years longer. The good news is that nature provides us with abundant sources of potassium. While bananas are well known, other powerhouse sources include sweet potatoes, avocados, spinach, beans, and oranges. Even a simple baked potato with the skin contains more potassium than a banana. The key is incorporating a variety of these foods daily so your muscles and bones receive consistent nourishment. Finally, let's explore vitamin K, the overlooked guardian of your leg's structural integrity. When people think about bone health, calcium and vitamin D typically get all the attention. But without vitamin K, these nutrients simply cannot do their job properly. Vitamin K acts as the traffic controller, ensuring calcium is deposited in your bones where it belongs, rather than accumulating in arteries or soft tissues, which leads to stiffness and poor circulation. The research is clear. Individuals with higher vitamin K intake have significantly stronger bones, lower fracture risk, and better overall bone health compared to those with low levels. That's because vitamin K activates osteocalcin, a protein that binds calcium to the bone matrix, making the bones in your legs denser and more resistant to breakage. But vitamin K's benefits extend beyond bones. It's also crucial for joint health and muscle function. It reduces inflammation in joints, which can slow the progression of osteoarthritis and alleviate knee stiffness, a common complaint that limits mobility in older adults. If your knees ache when you move or feel stiff after sitting, vitamin K might be the missing nutrient you need. Emerging research suggests vitamin K also supports muscle strength and coordination by regulating calcium levels within muscle cells. This ensures proper contractions and prevents uncoordinated movements that can lead to instability and falls. You can boost your vitamin K levels by incorporating leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens into your diet. Another powerful form, vitamin K2, is found in fermented foods like natto, aged cheeses, and egg yolks. This form is particularly beneficial because it stays active longer in your body and is more effective at directing calcium into bones. These four powerhouse nutrients, vitamin B6, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K, work together to create a foundation for strong, reliable legs that will carry you through life with confidence. By ensuring adequate levels of each, you're not just preventing weakness and pain, you're actively building resilience and strength that will support your independence for years to come. Remember, true leg strength isn't built in the gym alone. It starts with nourishing your body from the inside out. Start incorporating these nutrients into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at how different your legs can feel in just a matter of weeks. What vitamin or mineral have you found most helpful for your leg health? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this information valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health insights that can transform how you move and feel every day. Stay strong, stay nourished, and I'll see you in the next video.